Actually, it's funny that this is what's happening right now because ever since we started, we've been doing that in our group. We've been taking pictures whenever we're sitting down at one-on-ones and then putting it into the group to show people like we're working. Instead of just talking about it, we show it. But I think that I'm gonna go and buy a couple laptops on our perks, on our membership perks, and raffle those off as well. Because they're only 140 or 170 bucks for these nice touch tone laptops. So you can get a couple of those. And I'm going to put a video out there for the team saying whoever gets the most memberships sold is going to win one. And then also whoever has the most one-on-one sit downs so we can do whatever everybody else is doing.
Most memberships and most one-on-ones, huh? Okay. Excellent. All right. Anyone else sharing any ways in which you're leveraging this and or celebrate? Matter of fact, let me pull the slide back up just in case someone may have missed it. Remember, it's this week only from Sunday, I'm assuming through this Saturday. And Mr. Carruthers is asking that we take a picture of that person. Now, this is for all of Team Pinnacle. And that's why I love the fact that many of us have said that we're doing our contest within a contest. So that's the email address he wants us to use to send that picture to. Again, if someone on our team is sending it, I would highly suggest they're sending it to you as a leader as well, so that, we can keep track of who's sending what in for our own purposes and our own recognition. And then every sit down gets your drawing. And these are the various things: the earbuds, the portable speakers, the sign books, the gift cards, the coaching sessions with the six-figure earners. Brian has quite a few things he's put in place. The other slide was getting the LS Engage, going to LS Engage. This is